Batang Quiapo ni Coco Martin, hanggang January 2, 2026 na lang. Coco Martin, magkakaroon pa rin umano ng project sa kumpanya ni MVP. Tiyak na ikalulungkot ng mga tagahanga ng FPJ's Batang Quiapo ang balitang hanggang sa January 2, 2026 na lamang mapapanood ang kanilang paborito at sinusubaybayang action drama series. Natutunghayan ng Batang Quiapo sa Kapamilya Channel, A2Z, at TV5. Bahagi ng nakasaad sa kanilang pahayag, there is no truth to any insinuation that ABS-CBN willfully delayed payment. Such characterizations fail to acknowledge the severe financial constraints imposed on us through circumstances beyond our control. The franchise law significantly reduced ABS-CBN revenues, causing the company to sustain losses for the first time since its return after martial law. This was not a matter of choice or mismanagement, but a direct result of regulatory action that stripped away our primary revenue source. While some revenue streams have since recovered, ABS-CBN continues to operate at a loss as we work to rebuild. Nagkaroon man ng lamat ang relasyon ng ABS-CBN at TV5, may mga espekulasyong magkakaroon ng mga proyekto si Coco sa kumpanya ni Manny V. Pangilinan dahil sa kanilang pagpupulong na naganap noong October 23, 2025.